Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make this LEGO Ben Solo. So without any further ado, let's get into this. The legs for this minifigure come from this LEGO Batman, and it's because they're dual molded, so it works well for his boots. The torso comes from this Force Awakens Kylo Ren, and I've turned the arms around so that you can't see the belt. Finally, I used the head and the hair from this Last Jedi Kylo Ren. If you've done it correctly, your Ben Solo should now look like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you're building your minifigure. Overall, I think this minifigure does a good job of representing what he looks like in the Rise of Skywalker, and it's not that complicated, so it should be easy to follow. If you have any requests for any more minifigures you would like to see, feel free to leave a comment down below or reach out to me on my Instagram. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, I would highly recommend you do so, because then you'll be notified when the next tutorial releases. If you'd like to watch some more Purist custom tutorials, feel free to click on the links which should be on the end screen now.